You have a dental practice and you want to get more clients without spending almost any money. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do it. You can run a giveaway for your dental practice and get many targeted leads. Hi, my name is Stoyan Vlachovsky and I'm here to help you with your contests and giveaways. The main idea of a giveaway is to give people the chance to win something super cool, something they really want. And in the end, people participate and you just choose one or several lucky winners. In that way, you get many targeted leads and people actually win something they really want. Everybody wins. And the first step in doing so is choosing the goal for your giveaway campaign. That could be growing your social media pages, or it could be building your email list, or it could be even both. Since you have a dental practice, I would suggest you build your email list and your social media at the same time, because you want to stay in touch with people and constantly remind them that you exist, and one day they will visit your dental practice and they could become your potential or even your paid clients. The second step is choosing your target audience. That should be people from your own local area. So for example, if you have a dental practice in New York, it doesn't make sense to target people in LA, because those people are probably not going to become your potential paid clients. And you should also keep in mind such things such as age or anything else you want to target in specific. The more you know about your target audience, the better. The first two steps were relatively simple, and the next ones are going to get a little bit more complicated, and that's why I'm ready to help you. I'm ready to give you a free consultation call and answer any questions you have about running a contest, running a giveaway, and how to make it successful. What's more, I'm ready to create the whole campaign for you. If you're interested, click on the link in the description below the video. Of course, you also have to give people some kind of reward. And as a dental practice, you could offer them a super professional toothbrush and the winner gets it for free, or it could be free teeth whitening, or it could be a coupon for your own services. At the end of the day, it should be something your target customers really want, and it should be relevant only to them, because if you choose a reward that all people want, then you're going to just attract random people and they're not going to buy from you. The three steps we covered until now is choosing the goal for your campaign, choosing a target audience, and choosing the reward you want to give away. The next two steps are actually choosing the social media giveaway type you want to run and which platform to run it, and also promoting that giveaway so that you reach as many people as possible. In fact, I have made special videos on the topic and you can check them out by clicking on the playlist here or following directly this video here. It doesn't make sense to just repeat the same stuff over again in this video, so if you're interested, go check out those videos. Take care.